Good morning, family. This is day one of our buff booster 4-star no nature, and this is a defense team that I went with. I pretty much use some of the same heroes. I try to stick with at least one of each color, and I like to have some fast heroes mixed in with average. So we have Kalau, and she does the fire damage to all, and she bypasses counterattack. And then we have next to her is Toon Grim. Pretty much we know how the tunes are. They pretty much can't, their buffs can't be dispel. Let's see here. Yeah, buff dispels. And also elements are really hard to stick onto them. Next we have this version of Costume Hero. He does boosted health. He also increases the defense of his team and lowers the attack of the others. So he makes it really hard for you to kill. He's a really good support hero. My favorite version of this hero. Then we have Meadow. I really like her, not only because of her passes, but because she does poison damage to one. She's very fast speed, which I really like. And then we have Li Shu, who does silence to 3. And because she's a wizard, well, it's mainly because of the superior jinx, she has a chance to dispel buffs either with her special or with tiles. And I've been attacked twice. I'm at a B. Let's hope that it stays that way. So let's get going. Okay. 2 healers. So red will be weak here. So I either combat it with blue or I'll try Lexi. And then we'll use Tiburtus. I want Proteus. And let's see here. Let's put her here. Tiburtus there. And we're going to give him this troop right here. All right, so we're going to have a boosted healer. And let's go with, let me see. I think his defense up will negate what Grim does. And he does the, okay. So let's, I think we should use, we need a fast hero here. Because they're mainly all average. What if I could replace him with the, let's go with Meadow. Okay. Flag number 1. I'm going to go with this first. Is that enough to charge up my boy? Yes, it is. So we'll do the center 3. Greens are not allowed, huh? Yeah. Will that kill her? No, but this will. Oh. I want to get rid of Grim. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Stop. Okay. Let's do first Lexi. Then we're going to use Tiburtus. Meadow. Okay, cool. Next, let's use the, I think I should wait for her to go off because otherwise she'll dispel my buff. I made a mistake. I shouldn't have had her over there in the corner. I don't think the position on offense always matters unless they're a paladin. Because I don't know about the slash attacks. I think they're random. Because usually on offense, if you put tiles into the tank, then that one charges up fast. Well, I don't know how it works on defense, where because you figure that the slash attacks would mainly go to the tank, well, our tank. Anyway, food for thought. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Okay, I think I'm going to keep something similar, but I'm going to place her there and him there. Except maybe I should go for Li Shu instead. They have all average and one slow hero. So hopefully that works to my advantage. Okay. I don't really like the way this board is. He's going off soon anyway, so just... Okay, I don't want to hit Gullenbursty. But I'm probably going to have to anyway. And I don't want to dispel what he does with Li Shu. Okay, that wasn't good. Wow. Should have known with the start of that board what was going to happen. Okay. Let's change up our heroes just a bit. Let's go with the fire hero. Should I go with another? Should I go with him instead? And we'll take a nice hero, right? So we have 2 attackers. Okay, let's try this out. All right, this is a better board. I need to bring some darks up. I'm not too worried. Regard is here to cleanse. Let's see if that kills Dawn. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's get rid of the tree. And then we're going to use Sabina is actually a good hero for this this type, this tournament type. Look at all of these nature tiles. Wow, that's overkill. All right, so that was flag number 3. They have all these counterattack heroes, but they're in the wrong. Well, he's in the right position, but he's not. Okay. So clearly, I'm going to go with mainly Holy. We'll keep her in there because she bypasses defensive buffs. We're going to use. I think we'll go with Goldie. I don't normally use her. And Li Shu. And I think we'll go with Chow. Let's put him here because what if I want to take a. Well, they have no attackers. So let's go with another healer just to be on the safe side. Okay, I like the troops. Okay. This might kill Regard. Some days the tiles just always work in your favor. I really didn't need her now that think of it. Oh, but I could reflect. Oh, just Sergey. That's all right. I don't really. There's no really big threats here. She resisted that. Okay, but I don't have any dark heroes to benefit from. Okay, at least doing this will give me 2 fire matches. It might charge up Hunger, huh? Let's see if I can dispel that. Damn, is she the withstand queen or what? Okay, this should kill her. Um, I wonder if this will kill him. The answer is yes. Wow, that's a lot of buffs there. Was that 3 or 4? 3. 1. Oh, I guess that it's a modified attack. Attack score is increased by 100 for the duration of the battle. So I guess that's technically not a buff. Okay. I guess it's is it a stack? Okay. I wonder if that. Yeah. Wow. 974. One more attack left. Oh, the tunes. Oh no. Ugh. Okay. Remember that the counterattack does not dispel for dark characters. Keep that in mind. All right, I'm gonna need a. I wonder if I should get regard. Yeah, probably better. Or if I were to use Sabina to. No, let's keep regard. You know what? She offers buffs. Okay, this is a healthy board. Let's do. These 3. Okay, cool. I'm gonna try to get more tiles. More. I need to be specific. I need to get more holy tiles. Okay. Yeah. Show off. You know what? Actually, the other Kalau would have been better because. No, actually, no. There was the tank. Never mind. Well, the other one that I wanted to use, the other costume version, will actually do damage to her. All right. I need to get some holy tiles there. At least these darks will have some kind of. Oh, that's not too bad. She's not as scary. Yeah. Let's cleanse that. And let's use Chow and the holy tiles. I was going to say those are enough to kill her. Okay. Let's use that. And then we have Sabina. So how many buffs is that? That's 3, huh? Yeah. Okay, cool beans. That was good. Except for this one. I probably should have taken another healer. And look at their troops. They kind of suck. Alright, thanks for watching, family, and I'll catch you guys for day 2.